I really love cars. Sometimes I'm not sure what my favorite category is. There are super fast sports cars with high performance engines and a streamlined body. There are the tough off-roading SUVs with their tough bodies and high ground clearances. These characteristics and features that are unique in each type and help us compare can be called properties. Any substance around us exists in one of the three states: solid, liquid, or gases. These three states can be differentiated using properties that are specific to each of them. Solids have a definite volume, shape and size because they have closely packed molecules with strong force of attraction holding them together. This also does not allow the molecules to move about in random motions when they contain energy. Solids do not flow and do not take the shape of the container that they are placed in. You can change the size and shape of an object only if you can generate a force greater than the force with which the particles of the solid are held together. Liquids, on the other hand, are more groovy. They flow from high altitude to low and take the shape of the container that they are kept in. When we fill an ice cream mold with flavored milk, the milk takes the shape and after freezing it, it becomes a candy of that shape. Loosely packed molecules with a weaker force of attraction means that liquids do not have a definite shape and size. They do, however, occupy a specific amount of space which is very difficult to compress, a lot like solids. The particles in liquid have some more space to move about when they contain energy, but are still held back by the force of attraction of other molecules and gravity. Gases are free to roam as they please. The intermolecular arrangement of these molecules is very spacious with a very tiny force of attraction between the molecules of the gas. The particles have more freedom to spread and are not even held back by gravity. This also means that they have no definite shape and take the shape of the container that they are stored in. They can be significantly compressed by applying pressure, unlike solids and liquids which have fixed volumes. While the states of matter are pretty different in most ways, there are few characteristics that run common in all of them. While most solids are opaque, there are few that allow light to pass through them. Most pure liquids are transparent unless contaminated, and gases are transparent. You are watching this video even though there is air between you and the screen. Metals which are solid have luster and shine. Mercury is a liquid which has luster, but then again, it is a metal. And gases do not have luster. Some solids dissolve in water, while some others do not. Some liquids dissolve in water, while others do not. Some gases dissolve in water, while others do not. That's all about the states of matter for today. See you next time.